Force Google Chrome to check for new JavaScript files every time I access a website. So, if I go to Internet Options in Internet Explorer, I can adjust the settings for when EA checks for updates. Can I do something similar in Google Chrome? Right now, when I change my JavaScript file and debug from Visual Studio, Chrome will always use the cached version rather than using the modified version. In order to be able to use the current version, I have to manually clear out my temporary internet files /cache, which is really annoying.
Option 1. Disable cache temporarily. Open Developer Tools, press F12 or Menu, More Tools, Developer Tools. Open Developer Tools Settings, press F1 or DevTools menu, Settings. Check Disable Cache, while DevTools is open, under the network header of the Preferences pane. Option 2. Disable Cache for Session. Start Chrome with the command line switches, disk cache size equals 1, media cache size equals 1, which will limit the caches to 1 byte, effectively disabling the cache. Option 3. Manual Force Refresh. Reload the current page, ignoring cached content, Shift plus F5 or Control plus Shift plus R. Chrome keyboard shortcuts, Chrome Help, under Web Page Shortcuts. Option 4. Extra Reload Options, Source. With Developer Tools open, right-click the Reload button to display a reload menu with the following. Normal Reload, Control plus R. Hard Reload, Control plus Shift plus R. Empty Cache and Hard Reload.
It may not be 100% related to the Chrome refresh, but for further development, like Dom said, you can add a v equals hash after your resource. One way to automate the process is to hash the content of the said file and use that as the version. I have a snippet code on how to do this in C#, Razor for implementation, if this can help. Helper. Implementation. Hope this helps. Some have asked for some build runtime, and for 1000 small resources, it takes approximately 11 ms. This URL. This URL.
In other cases where these may not be possible, for example wanting to force a refresh on an end user's computer that you don't have access to, you can append a version number to the script name as a query parameter, making the browser identify it as a different file. Example.js ?v equals 1. Bear in mind you'd need to change the number on each reload to force it. You could also do this with local development, but the DevTools method is much more efficient.
In addition of that Steven answer, when you get the Developer Tools console opened, you can right-click on the refresh button and use the drop-down menu. In this menu you get an option for empty cache and hard reload. Is what you're looking for.